become future stars. Chapter 2. The Golden Touch. King Midas was the richest man in the world. However, he was not happy. He wanted to get more and more richer. At last he realized that there are things more valuable in life. What brought about that change? Let's read his story and find out. King Midas, the ruler of Greece, was a greedy man. He loved gold. He had many rooms full of gold and silver. He was the richest man on earth. But he was not happy. He wanted more and more gold. He always tried to amass as much wealth as he could. I love gold more than anything in this world, he often said. It is more valuable to me than the flowers, the grass, the stars, the sun and all other things in the world. I want more and more gold. Word meaning: amass, collect. One day, when Midas was wishing for more and more gold, an angel heard him. He wanted to teach him the realities. Soon he appeared before King Midas. Midas, you have plenty of riches. Then why do you ask for more? The angel asked. But I am not satisfied. I want all the gold of the world, said Midas. You will have your wish fulfilled, the angel said. Whatever you touch will change into gold. Are you ready for it? Think over twice before your answer. Midas' heart was filled with joy. There is no need to think twice. Please grant my wish, said Midas. Your wish is granted, said the angel with a smile and touched Midas with his magic wand. Then he vanished from there. King Midas was excited. His long-cherished dream had been fulfilled. Now he had the golden touch. He could turn anything and everything into gold with the mere touch of his hand. He was eager to test his newly acquired power. At once, he rushed to his garden. He touched a leaf on a tree. The tree with all its branches and leaves turned into gold. Wow! I have the golden touch, shouted Midas with great joy. My dream is fulfilled. Now I can get as much gold as I wish. Midas ran back to his palace. He touched the pillars, the doors, the stairs and everything turned into gold. By now, Midas was very hungry. He asked his men to serve food and sat down to eat. His cooks brought choicest dishes for him and placed on the table. He lifted the spoon to eat. But what a surprise! The spoon turned into gold. Midas sat watching. He looked at the glass of water and lifted it to his mouth. But alas! It also turned into gold. Now, Midas was panicked. He was hungry but could not eat anything. He was thirsty but could not drink water. He was no longer a happy man. The boon had turned into a curse for him. He got up from his seat and cried out in anguish, "Where are you, angel? I don't want the golden touch. Please take back your boon." Word meaning: angel, messenger of God. Appeared, came in, grant, sanction, vanished, disappeared, excited, thrilled, cherished, wished, rushed, hurried, panicked, scared. Just then, his little daughter came running into the room. To Midas, she was the most precious thing in the world after gold. She had a beautiful bunch of flowers in her hand. "Father, look at these pretty flowers," she said and ran to him. Midas tried to stop her, but it was too late. She touched him and at once turned into a laughing statue of solid gold. Midas cried out again, "Oh, angel, where are you? Please take back your boon." Suddenly, the angel appeared. He smiled at Midas. Are you happy now? He asked. You have the golden touch for which you had longed for. Midas fell down on his knees weeping. I don't want the golden touch. Please take it back, he cried. You foolish king, said the angel, there are many things in the world which are more precious than all the gold in the world. Please forgive me. Now I understand that I was wrong, said Midas. Word meaning: weeping, crying, precious, valuable. Go to your garden and pick up a grass from your lawn. Throw it into the river and everything will be same as before, said the angel. Kind Midas did as he was told. Once again, the golden grass was green. He touched the water in the river. But nothing happened. He was very happy. He touched the golden trees. Once again, they were green. Then he ran into the palace. His daughter's golden statue stood in the middle of the room. Midas took it in his arms. As soon as he did so, he heard his daughter's tinkling laughter. Father, said the little girl, and tears rolled down Midas' eyes. I was greedy, so I thought that gold is the most precious thing in the world. But I have learned the greatest lesson of my life. I have become wiser. Now I know that you, the trees, the grass and the sky are dearer to me than gold, said King Midas. Word meaning: statue, figure, tinkling, ringing, dearer, more valuable. Like, share, and subscribe.